Hi, I'm Sonia Choquette. Welcome to my channel. Today I really want to talk about how we are in the process of elevating our consciousness and becoming a different kind of human. One that isn't trapped in fight or flight and figure out and competition and battle to the death and endless trauma, but actually elevates to the frequency of I am a divine spirit, I am a creator, I am able to influence my life tremendously by using all my senses. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And moreover, I want to give you a gift today. I have a beautiful book that I've written, Ask Your Guides, calling in your divine support system for help in everything in life. And I'm not kidding when I say it's a gift. I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is click the link below. It's just so important that so many of us start waking up and really accessing our divine self and the divine support so we move out of fear, and that's how we're going to help ourselves and everyone else, that I am guided myself by my spirit guides to give my book away. So if you'd like a copy, all you have to do is click the link below. Really, truly that simple. You'll love this book. It'll open your eyes to a way to live that's a whole lot more fun, a whole lot simpler, more exciting, more magical, and will really help you start to experience a life that isn't threatened at every single turn. So again, ask your guides. They'll help you. And you can have a copy by clicking the link below. Thanks for tuning in, and before you tune out, please subscribe. Click the link below. Get your free copy. Ask your guides. See you soon.